simple thing. Instead of you to do the right thing, all you will do is name calling. Who is wicked? Who will do without him. I never say you cannot do without me. I never said so. But all I say, you can't do without me in my state. That's what I've always said. What is my business? Will I go to Ondo? Will I go to Oyo? You can do without me, I agree. But to say you do without me in this state, it will not be possible.
But how do you do it in such a way that if they do without you, or you do without them, the election of the presidency will have a national assembly on that. If you do not stick to the article and do not listen to you, what would you do?
Now, what is your business? When you get to the bridge, you think about how to cross the bridge.
Because I thought today, Your Excellency, I thought today you are bearing it more.
It's not my business to tell you my strategy in election. Every election has its own strategy. You don't. Let me ask you one question. Have you not seen where governors win and assembly lose election in your constituency? It's the same election now. Have you not seen where assembly member loses seat in that same and governor won in that constituency?
So that could happen here.
I'm not saying so. I'm not saying so. So you don't put words into my mouth. All I'm saying is that you asked the question. I said, look, we're still talking about peace. You understand me? It's only when you say you don't want us, do you understand me? Then we can now fall back and say, what do we do? But we don't talk about what we do now when they are still opening for people to discuss. I'm not on the election. It's the man who wears the shoe knows what. So if you say you need me, you know what to do. But if you say I'm not relevant, you know it is your own business.